What's up, guys? If you don't have any interesting skate spots in your town or around your house, I've got an idea for you. Make a fake manual pad. The cool thing is anything can be a fake manual pad. It doesn't even have to be a different color. Like this gray area right here could be a great fake manual pad. All you have to do is have lines, or you could just imagine the lines. So these little balls, great fake manual pad. There's so many in this basketball court. If you don't have a basketball court close to your house, you can get some chalk and just draw a little box out. Day One Song did it. I used to do this all the time as a kid, and it's a fun way to practice manuals. So with a fake manual pad like this, you could ollie into tricks, but you don't actually have to. The cool thing about these is you could just roll into tricks as well, and it would be basically the same thing. So I did a lot of nose manual shoves in this video because that is the easiest trick on a fake manual pad. It's a trick that looks good, but it's still really easy. Some tricks like shove-its are hard for me on a fake manual pad like this. Well, they're hard for me in this basketball court because this basketball court is much grippier than normal asphalt or sidewalks or like skate park concrete. It's kind of grippy. It's kind of like a tennis court. So some tricks that slide like that are a little bit harder. Anything with 180s are easier on like blacktop, something that slides. So the fake manual pad doesn't necessarily have to be something that's totally flat. You can find like a piece of plywood or something that has a little bit of height to it but not a lot, or just something out of the trash like this door that I found in the trash or whatever it is. So that's how you make a fake manual pad. It's a lot of fun and it can help you learn tricks because you don't have to worry about falling off the manual pad too far. It's like you're on flat ground. So basically a kickflip manual or something like that is going to be a lot easier on this little thing. So I really hope that was helpful to you guys. If you enjoy this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.